We do a lot of snow removal, and it sucks to get out there in the middle of spreading some salt and all of a sudden your controller gives you the F word. How many of you get out there and you get everything all taken care of, then you flip on your salter and you get, after it does its little diagnostics, you get the little F. Well, I can help you guys out. Very easy fix. You can do it right in the middle of the snow. Just keep 40 amp fuses with you. You won't find them in the gas station. Keep them in your truck. This will save you a lot of running around at 2 o'clock in the morning. Real simple, easy fix. You just, on the bottom of the saltdogg spreader controller, you just start taking out these 4 screws on the side, not the ones on the front or the back. Not these guys, just these side ones. It's a little tricky, but once you get the sides, you have to pull out a little bit on the sides, and then it comes apart. So then you have 2 internal fuses, one 40 amp right here, and then another 40 amp right over here. So you just start pulling them out and try to find out which one's blown. That's the one that's blown, so you just get another one out of your package. You push it right in there. It doesn't need to be soldered. You can do this right on the middle of plowing. Got to put these rubber seals back on there. Make sure that no salt water gets inside, and then these mounting brackets go towards the front. You'll notice that the hole is off-centered, and that'll make your mounting holes line up perfectly. I have been in a pickle and had a 30 amp fuse work. I was able to find one at a gas station, and it let me lay down the rest of my salt for the rest of the night. So I don't know why I blew my 40 amp and then the 30 amp worked, but it got me through a little jam. Might work for you guys. Alright, so let's go see if this thing works. Alright, got it all installed again. Let's see if it goes through the test. I can hear it working. Alright, that got rid of my F, and my auger's running. Alright, if you found this video helpful or informative, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.